Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys exactly step by step how to do top-down analysis like a pro. So if you're a beginner wondering what is top-down analysis and wondering exactly how to get started doing top-down analysis, then in today's video I'm going to be explaining all that stuff that you think is actually hard in top-down analysis to you, and I'm going to break it down in simple terms. So what is top-down analysis? So top-down analysis is a term commonly used by forex traders to describe analysis done from a higher time frame to a lower time frame to find out what the market is doing overall. That is, they tend to use that to get their overall bias for the day, especially for day traders. Even swing traders actually use this, even scalpers actually use this. So if you are doing top down analysis as a day trader, you have to start from the daily time frame to actually ascertain what the market is doing from the daily time frame to the 4 hour time frame to the 1 hour time frame and to the 30-minute time frame and 15-minute time frame. So you can actually get an overview of what the market is actually doing, so you can be able to make a decision whether you're going to buy or whether you're going to be selling in the market. And I'm going to be showing all of that in today's video, which is why I want you to watch this video from beginning to the end so you don't miss a single step, so you don't actually end up blowing your account or actually making losses. So I want you guys to be able to become profitable traders. So I hope you get what I'm telling you guys right now. So in case it's your first time seeing me, my name is Kennedy and I actually make videos around trading forex and making money online. I'm not saying I'm rich, but I'm just sharing with you guys the tips and tricks that I actually know, that I actually want you guys to also know, which most people are finding it out. So let's get started. Alright guys, so right now we're on my screen and we're going to be diving right into the top down analysis properly. So right now you have to pull up your trading view and pull up the pair which you actually want to analyze. For this instance, you'll be using gold or XAUSZ as I want to call it. So you can see generally that right now gold is actually pushing up. Gold is actually going to the upside. So gold is actually trying to make a big move right here to the upside. So we can actually see that that is an easy guess for a buy, but you can see that coming over to this point of reaction right now, you can see that gold is actually going down. Gold is actually going down, and that's because gold actually tapped into this supply zone over here. So you can see that gold actually came to the supply zone right here, which is why it actually started falling down. But let's step down to the lower time frame to actually be able to understand what it's doing for the main time. So you can see right here that in the 4 hour time frame, gold actually started coming down. It actually started coming down to this point. And once it came down to this area, once it tapped into this area, it started moving up. So you can see that this is the reaction point that created this reaction that is taking place now. So you can see that gold is actually on the rise in the 4 hour time frame. So let's step down to the 1 hour time frame. And also in the 1 hour time frame, gold is actually moving up. It's actually moving up. So you can actually see that this is a buy opportunity as opposed to our former view of selling. So you can see right now, this is how you actually do top down analysis. You actually start from the higher time frame to actually get what market is doing before you now step down to the lower time frame to actually get the entire idea of what price is actually doing for that at that point in time. Now this is for day traders. You actually have to start going down to the 45 minutes time frame, go down to the 30-minute time frame, go down to the 15-minute time frame, so you can be able to actually know what price is doing. Because if you're actually doing with the 1 hour time frame or the 4 hour time frame, it's actually going to be a swing trade. And also for swing traders, it's actually the same strategy, it's actually the same approach that you have to take. You have to start from a very much higher time frame. So if you're a swing trader, I would recommend you start from the weekly time frame. So let's go to the weekly time frame and see what this pair is doing for the week. So when I go to the weekly time frame, you can see that okay, generally it's going down. So generally we are bearish for the month. So this is August 2024. This is August 2024. So So, but for for day traders, for today, we're actually trying to buy. So actually try to get what price is doing, what that pair is doing from that point of reaction. So that's exactly how you find your daily bias. So right now, guys, you actually have to start looking for your model or for your setup. For me, I know a couple of models that people use. Some people use ICT, some people use SMC, some people use support and resistance, and the rest of that, Fibonacci and all of them. But I don't actually use all those strategies. The strategy I use is not something most people are aware of. But if you actually use SMC or SET, I want me to make a video teaching you guys exactly how to trade SMC or how to trade ICT. Then let me know down below in the comment section, and I'll be willing to make that video. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. If you're actually learning something new, drop me a like, and also go down below in the comments and say I learned something new. If you didn't learn anything new, also go down below and say I didn't learn anything new. So I actually get to know if you guys are following up with what I'm teaching on this channel. So let's do one more pair before we call it a video. So let me go to GBP USD, right? So on GBP USD, let's start from the daily time frame. For the daily time frame of GBP USD, you can see that price was also pushing up till actually tapped into this other block for people trading SMC or demand zone before I actually started pushing down. So you actually want to be looking to sell, but let's check out what price is doing in the 4-hour time frame. So in the 4-hour time frame, it's also bearish. You can see the market is also dropping, so you might be looking for a sell in this case. So let's go down to 1-hour time frame too. So you can see in the 1-hour time frame, price is just consolidating, it's just ranging. Yes, but mostly of a bearish candle formation. So step down to the 45 minutes, 30 minutes, and the rest of that, you can see that price is actually trying to move down. But let's go down to the 15 minutes to actually get a clear view of what price is doing here. So you can see that price has actually left this jurisdiction and is now in this other jurisdiction. So you just have to try to find your model here and actually start trading. So that's it, guys, for this video. If you learned something new, go down below and tell me, and drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want more videos just like this.